Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nasser, and in this clip we are going to evaluate a blood smear from a patient who is diagnosed with hemoglobin SC, a patient who carries the gene for hemoglobin S on one chromosome and hemoglobin C on another. In this case, again, like other hemoglobinopathies, there is going to be a marked increase in the target cells. The podocytes are present across the field, easily graded as 3 plus or 4 plus in this smear. However, the confirmatory finding on the blood smear for hemoglobin SC is going to be the presence of hemoglobin SC crystals. And hemoglobin SC crystals, unlike hemoglobin C crystals that had defined and clear boundaries, hemoglobin SC crystals are more amorphous and there is no specific shape associated with this type of crystal. The most common one that you see are these amorphous crystals that, as if part of the crystal is extending from the core of the crystal, and all these findings on this smear, these are forms of hemoglobin SC crystal. So you see the presence of the target cells. You do see these amorphous crystals, and in here I also observe some degree of polychromasia. If the presence of this polychromatic cell is as abundant as we have in this field, I will give this 2 plus polychromasia. However, to confirm that, we have to look at other fields. You do see the crystals present everywhere throughout the fields. The new field also does have the crystals. Podocytes are present. Polychromasia is present. So basically all those findings are being confirmed. So this patient is going to have 4 plus target cells. Hemoglobin C crystals are present, amorphous hemoglobin C crystals. Polychromasia is present, and we do see the polychromasia in here as well. And this should conclude my report. However, do expect to be seeing nucleated red blood cells and Hal-Jolly bodies, basophilic stipplings. Those are going to be the findings that, if you look enough, you should occasionally come across one of these abnormal morphologies. In here you have a crystal and you have a platelet, a relatively large platelet on the corner, and gives this abnormal appearance. Crystal is present here, polychromasia is present, and if I move to another field, I do not observe any basophilic stippling, but you quite often see that type of abnormal morphologies found in hemoglobinopathies as well as thalassemias.